Welcome everyone. I hope you must be stay safe and stay healthy. So no further delay, let's begin. Our today's topic is utterly incredible facts about the hibernation of bears. All those myths about bear hibernation definitely do a lot of disservice to the bear fraternally. What's the point of being considered one of the most popular hibernating animals when even the basic facts about your behavioral adaptation equal everyone? In this animal sake post, we shed a light on hibernation in bears, which is one of the most interesting aspects of their life. Have you checked your basement? In the United States, there have been instances wherein bears have dinned in people's basement for days without the house owner realizing it. When we talk about hibernation, one of the first animal that is likely to come to your mind will be the bear. As soon as they get their causes, either in the form of drop in temperature or snorting of days, bears start foraging to revive their fast reserve to survive winter months. During this period, they consume 15,000 to 20,000 calories on a daily basis. Having put on enough weight, they enter their den, which can be a cave or hollow tree, where they spend in the winter. More than the harsh winter, it is the resultant food scarcity that prompts bear to go into hibernation. Bear hibernation facts are revealed. So bears do hibernate, right? Then why do they say bears don't hibernate, but instead go into torpor or sleepy winter sleep? Some people even call it carnivore lethargy, a little different from the rest of the hibernating animals, not doubt. But hibernation is bears is quite interesting in yourself. You will realizing it as you go through these facts that have been compiled for you. If bear hibernation has become an issue of debate today, it's because of the fact that they do not drop their core body temperature like squirrels or other rodents do. When bears enter hibernation, their temperature does drop but remains above 88 degrees Fahrenheit. If, however, we consider it the fact that metabolism forms the basis of which it is to be decided whether an animal hibernates or not, then the temperature independent metabolic suppression of bears, wherein they lower their metabolic rate by 50 to 75%, make them hibernators. Ideally, for every 18 degree Fahrenheit drop in Fahrenheit on organism records a 50% reduction in chemical and biological processes. The rule does not seem to apply to bears though, who can lower their metabolism rate despite dropping their body temperature by about 10 to 12 degrees Fahrenheit. During hibernation, their heart rate drops from 55 beats per minute to 9 beats per minute. Some species of bears can go without food and water more than 240 days or 88 months of the year. During this period, they rely on their fat reserve for energy. By the time they emerge from hibernation, they can lose up to 40% of their body weight. Bears neither urinate nor defecate during hibernation. They have this unique ability to convert their body waste into amino acid. They can restore their muscle and organ tissues even when they are starving. Interestingly, even the number of cubs produced depends on the fat reserve of the bear. Delay, especially implantation, plays a crucial role when it comes to self-preservation in female bears. That should not come as a surprise though, considering that location can expend a lot of energy. Do all bears hibernate during winter? There are 8 species of bears in the world. Not all of them are hibernations through. Species that do not hibernate include sun bears, sloth bears, septacled bears, and giant bears, pandas. These bears do not feel the need to hibernate because there is abundance of food from them all year round. American black bear. Among the hibernation species, American black bears are perhaps the most efficient and most studied. In this species, the length of hibernation depends on region and availability of food. While black bears in the southern United States hibernate for 4 to 5 months, those in southern Canada and northern United States hibernate for up to 8 months. In contrast, grizzly bears hibernate for 5 to 7 months depending on food availability in their natural habitat. The availability of food is not an issue for grizzlies found in coastal areas, but it is for those found in the Rockies. Polar bears. As far as polar bears are concerned, adult males and non-pregnant females are known to remain active throughout the year. Only pregnant polar bear females hibernate, and that too for more than 240 days, only to surface with their cubs in March or April. That should lay to rest all those myths about bear hibernation. Like we said, one aspect that has put bear hibernation under the scanner is the fact that they don't drop their temperature to the freezing point like ground squirrels or a whole lot of other true hibernations do. That, however, comes as a blessing in disguise for the species, as it helps them stay alert and accurate their return to normalcy, while true hibernations take over for the same. Related posts are gently, utterly interesting facts about mosquito fish. Mosquitoes are very annoying. We all know that. You must have come across various methods of mosquito control. Utterly astonishing facts about crickets. In many cultures, crickets are thought to bring good luck. It is also believed that cricket can tell the surrounding temperature. So that's it for today. Goodbye everyone. Have a good day ahead.